Hello children, this is Chalkbox. In this video, we are going to see Class 12 Applied Mathematics Excel Practical Activity number 12. We already explained in many of our videos how to conduct this practical activity. So far we have uploaded 11 activities. This is the 12th one. So in applied mathematics, we have 20 marks for internal. In that, 10 marks for the project and 10 marks for the practical examination. In practical examination, the activities are conducted based on the Excel activities. So in this activity, I'm going to show you how to maintain the practical file as well how to conduct the practical exams. In the practical file, to maintain the practical file, this is a Word document I have included in this video. The same procedure, the procedure part, whatever given in this Word file, we can write it in the right side of the Excel activity file. In our applied mathematics activity file, we can write this documents, procedures which is given in the Word document. Then the children will perform the activity like this. They will perform the activity in the desktop or in the system. They will find the solution like this. Then they will take the printout and stick it in the left side of the activity file. Such a way we can maintain the activity file. Right side, all the write-up should be done. Left side, the result should be taken printout and stick in the record file. While conducting the exam, we'll just give the question which we are practicing in the right hand side like this practice question. We will give only this questionnaire part. Children will perform the test in the Excel. They will show the output. We can check that and give the marks. Such a way we can conduct the practical exams also. Now hope you all clear with how to maintain the practical file and how to conduct the exams. Now we will see activity number 12, which is explaining the count function. In that I am going to give you three type of count function. One is count A. Count A means whatever things filled in a box that we can count. Then count blank. Count blank means the empty, the unfilled pages or boxes will be count. Count if is a function which is specifically count the required thing, which is specified counting. How they are count A function. For example, this is a setup of a theater. Tickets are booked. All the M with the pink color are showing the male who were booked the tickets, and F are giving you the count of the female who booked for the theater. Now the count A function helps us to count how many total seats are filled. So that is count A function. Count A. To get that count, the filled count, we can type the synapses equal to count A bracket, select the entire range of the box and put enter. You will get the number of seats filled. Same way, to count the remaining seats, the unfilled seats also, we use the same procedure, count, but here instead of A, we will be using blank. Equal to count blank, open the bracket, select the entire box, put enter, you will get the blank cells which is not filled. Next thing, count F function. In this, how many male are filled, how many female are filled. Specifically, if we wanted to count like this, we can use this function to find the specific count. Here I have given the synapses equal to count if, open the bracket, select the entire box, put comma, no gap should be given, put comma in the quotation mark. If you want the female count, put F. Whatever marking we made in the table, the same letter we can specify here. If we wanted to find the male count, you can put M. So this is the function synopsis which we are going to use. Now we will see a question to practice this thing. Create a 10 by 10 grid, 10 by 10 grid, and fill the cells with some F and M randomly. So you can randomly fill F and M. Then count the number of cells filled, number of cells blank, and number of cells with female and number of cells with male. This is for 10 by 10 grid. Then this is the theater setup. This is question number 2. Okay, first we'll see question number 1, which is with the 10 by 10 grid. So I'm selecting a 10 by 10 grid. For that, first I'll number the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Below also I'm going to take one more 10. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now if I select these things, these boxes are giving me a 10 by 10 box. Okay. Here randomly I'm going to fill. Okay, I have filled some M over here. Now I am going to fill some F. Some F. Fill some F here and there randomly. Wherever we wish we can fill. Okay, I have filled some number of F. Now we are going to count. What is that first number of seats filled? Number of seats filled. Number of seats filled. For that, what is the function? What is the synopsis? Equal to count A. Equal to count A. A. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. Select the entire box. Entire 10 by 10 box. Close the bracket. Enter. So 62 seats are filled. So total seats, we know 10 by 10 is 100, right? So now 62 seats are filled. Now we wanted to count the unfilled seats. Equal to blank. Count blank. Remember to check the unfilled boxes. Number of unfilled boxes, give blank. Count blank, open the bracket, then select the entire box, close the bracket, put enter. So 38. So 38 plus 62, 100. Now this function is over. Now specific. Count A we have seen, count black we have seen. Now specific counting. Number of female seats equal to count if. open the bracket, again select the entire table, comma, count if, open the bracket, select the entire table, comma, I want female, so the double quote, F double quote. So I want F, what is mentioned with the F symbol. Suppose if I have mentioned it with the G symbol, put G over there. Close the bracket, put enter. So we can understand 28 female seats are filled in that. Now, number of male seats. Same way, equal to count if, open the bracket, select the entire table, put comma, double quote, the letter for female is mentioned with M, so put M. Suppose if you have mentioned it with by B, you can mention the letter B over here. Close the quotation, close the bracket, enter. So we got the male seats. So count this 28 equal to this plus this 62. It is equal to the total number of seats filled. Okay. So this is how we make or we generate the result using the count function. So once again I am telling, first create the table, fill the things randomly with the specific letter which you wish to mention. Then count the number of seats. For counting number of seats, the function is, see here, count A, open the bracket, select the entire table, close the bracket, put enter. Okay. Now to get the equal to count A, open bracket, select the entire table, close bracket, enter. Okay. Same way to get the blank seats, equal to count blank, open the bracket, select the entire table, close the bracket, enter. Okay. To get the female seats, equal to count if, open the bracket, select the entire table, comma, under double quotation, put F for female, close the bracket, enter, you will get the female count. Same way if you wanted to get the male count, equal to count if, open the bracket, select the entire table, comma, under double quotation, give the symbol which you are using, close the bracket, enter. Okay. So such a way we can use the count function. Now we will see the second question. The second question is, in a theatre, 15 by 15 seating capacity, filled the female and male viewers randomly. Count the number of cells filled, number of cells blank, number of cells with female and number of cells with the male. For this also, here I have created the screen with the 15 by 15 grid. So this is a 10 by 10 grid. If you can practice the same question like this, make a screen like this, the screen. Obviously screens are numbered with A, B, C, D, E, F. So till 15 rows and 15 columns you can make. Fill the random male and female in that. If you want, you can use some more symbol also and some more category also you can add. You can add male, female, children like that. And you can use this count function and make the countings properly. So hope this video will be helping you to conduct your practical exam or to face your practical exams well. All the best for your exams. Thank you.